Hello everyone, welcome to Dynamic Study. This is another quiz class on British literature. We have already covered a lot more MCQs from Anglo-Saxon up to the age of Chaucer, from Elizabethan up to Jacobean age, and today we will do our quiz class on the age of Milton. Okay. Today we will discuss 10 important MCQs for your practice, and I will cover some other important questions in my next video series. Okay, so let's begin today's class. First question: who is called Shakespeare of Divines and Spenser in a Cassock? Option 1 John Milton, option 2 Thomas More, option 3 Jeremy Taylor, and option 4 Isaac Walton. The right option is option number 4 Isaac Walton. Isaac Walton, you all know, he is mainly famous as a biographer. He has written biographies of a lot more important writers like John Donne, John Bunyan, and some other important poets and writers. So Isaac Walton is known as Shakespeare of Divines and Spenser in a Cassock. Okay. Next question. Time is a winged thief of youth. This is a line from which poem? Option number 1 On His Blindness, option 2 To His Coy Mistress, option 3 Paradise Lost, and option 4 On Arriving at the Age of 23. The right option is option number 4 On Arriving at the Age of 23. It was written by John Milton. On His Blindness is also a famous poem by Milton, and in To His Coy Mistress by Andrew Marvell we find almost similar line where Marvell says that time's winged chariot hurrying near. So both these lines are talking about the ravages of time. In To His Coy Mistress also Andrew Marvell is talking about how time comes as a destroyer. Time destroys our youth and leads us to old age and death. In this poem also Milton is talking about the same thing almost, that time is a winged thief of youth. So time actually comes and steals our youth and beauty and leads us to old age and death. So time is the most cruel enemy in our life. Right. Okay. Next question. Which was the first dictionary of national biography? Option 1 Lives of the Poets, option 2 History of Worthies of England, option 3 The Complete Angler, and option 4 none of the above. The correct option is option number 2 History of Worthies of England. It was written by Thomas Fuller, and The Complete Angler is a work by Isaac Walton. It is based on the art of fishing. Okay. So History of Worthies of England was the first dictionary of national biography. Question number 4. In Paradise Lost, which angel did join Satan initially but later returned to God? So first he joined evil and then he again returned to God. Which angel? In Paradise Lost, often these kind of questions are asked. You need to identify the name of the angels, which angel appear in which book, and there are also some quotation based questions. A quotation is given and it is asked that from which book is it taken. The publication years are also very important. So in Paradise Lost these kind of minute questions were asked. So you need to remember the name of the angels, the name of the chronology of the important episodes which happened in different books. Okay, so now you have four options here. Option 1 Abigail, option 2 Raphael, option 3 Michael, and option 4 all of the above. Which among the following first joined Satan and then again returned to God? So the right option is option number 1 Abigail. Abigail is the angel. Okay, next question. In which book of Paradise Lost did Milton invoke Urania? Urania as a muse is invoked in which book? Option number 1 book 3, option 2 book 1, option 3 book 4, and option 4 both 2 and 3. The right answer is option number 4, both 2 and 3. Okay. Next question. In Paradise Lost, invocation to holy light can be found in which book? Option number 1, book 3, option number 2, book 7, option number 3, book 9, and option number 4, book 12. Invocation to holy light. So which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1, book 3. Okay, next question. Question number 7. Who told Milton to write a sequel to Paradise Lost? So Milton has written a sequel to Paradise Lost on request of someone. You need to identify who was the man. Option 1 Thomas Fuller, option 2 Thomas Brown, option 3 Thomas Elwood, and option 4 Isaac Walton. Who is the man who requested Milton to write a sequel to Paradise Lost? The right option is Thomas Elwood, option number 3. He was a friend of John Milton, and on his request Milton has written a sequel to Paradise Lost. The sequel is Paradise Regained in 4 books. So Paradise Lost, you all know, Paradise Lost is divided into 12 books and Paradise Regained has 4 books. This is a sequel. Okay, next question. Harappa is a monstrous figure appears in which work of John Milton? Option 1 Paradise Regained, option 2 Samson Agonistes, option 3 Paradise Lost, and option 4 Leviathan. Harappa is a monster appears in which work? The right option is Samson Agonistes, option number 2. It is a closet drama written by John Milton in blank verse. Leviathan is not a work by Milton, it is written by Thomas Hobbes. Question number 9. There is a quotation. Milton is a central problem in any theory. Which critic has made this statement? He is a very famous critic. You need to identify who is the critic. Option number 1 John Dryden, option 2 Samuel Johnson, option 3 Harold Bloom, and option 4 Michel Foucault. The right option is option number 3 Harold Bloom. He has made this comment in his work Anxiety of Influence. Okay. Last question, question number 10. While entering into earth, Satan meets with whom? Option 1 Sin and Death, option 2 Chaos and Darkness, option 3 Death and Deadly Sins, and option 4 all of the above. The right answer is chaos and darkness, option number 2. Satan meets with chaos and darkness. So this is the end of today's quiz class. I hope these quizzes are helping you in your preparation. Thank you very much. Keep on watching Dynamic Study. Keep on learning. Please subscribe to the channel to get more informative videos like this. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and also please put your views in the comment section. We will meet very soon in another interesting class. Have a nice day. Bye bye.